Sanibona, welcome to the channel. Namhlanje sizokwenza differential calculus grade 12 version, okay? So nansi into yokuqala. So what is differential calculus noma yini differential calculus? So differential calculus is a study of how things change. Ukufunda ngokuthi izinto zishintsha kanjani. Okay, so imaphi ke mhlawumbe ama terms ongalokho uhlangabezana nawo mawuzama ukuthola ukuthi iziphi lezo zinto zishintsha kanjani. Mabili kuphela, gradient and limit. So now I guess nje manje uyabuza ukuthi yini gradient and limitation. Ngempela umfoka bani gradient noma what is a gradient? Oqala nje before siqhubekele phambili. A gradient is a slope or steepness of a function. Yeah, i-function ke mhlambe ubona mhlambe f of x noma ke sometimes it's y equal to something or g of x or h of x. Okay, mawubuka ke la mawusuka la from origin to a uyabona ukuthi la kuwumqansa kakhulu, which means konjani ukhuphukela kakhulu. La mawubheka la b it's much closer to a horizontal. So uyibuka kanjani ke lento wena ubheka ukuthini leyo line wakho loyo i-steepness usikala ngokuthini sisondele kangakanani to the horizontal. La ubona khona ukuthi i-gradient noma i-slope sakho sikhulu noma njani sincane. Sikala kanjani i-gradient kuma functions? Run lo simbiza ngo rise. So a gradient is given by rise over run noma ukukhuphuka over ububanzi. So kulula kanjalo ukuthola i-gradient yani ye-function noma i-gradient ithola islope se-function yakho. So i-gradient is just a number erepresenta mesibona inkulu, which means leyo line noma leyo function leyo ine-gradient enkulu, ikhuphukela kakhulu, inomqanso omkhulu, usinda kuyehlela kakhulu umzukulu. Noma mawukuthi yenzani incane, which means i-gradient yaleyo function leyo ayikho nkulu kangako, akusindi yezo. It's more of a flat surface, kuso almost like kusondele kube nani ne-flat surface. So that is just a gradient. So esibili kini ama-limits. What are limits? So yini ama-limits noma ama-limitation? Limit igama liyazisho ke mzukulu. Limit umngcele ila sigcina khona. Limit methi umuntu unama-limits, which means unala ugcina khona awudluleli ngale. Izinto kanjalo. So nala ama-limits noma ama-limitation umkhawulo ila sigcina khona azidluleli ngale. So mhlawumbe uyayibuza ukuthi lama concepts lawa are relate kanjani to differential calculus. Ake siqalela nake. Sama mathematicians noma kwa math siyathanda ukudlala ngeinamba. So kwaba nento kanjena, okay? Buka la 2/2 which gives you 1, ube nani? Ube no 2/1 which gives you 2. Mase ubani no 2/0 ithini into undefined. So kamethi mesibona into enjena ke iyasicasula ke lento ngobani sa realize ukuthi ayithi lento yenzeka kubani ku2 kuphela. Actually in general noma ngabe yipi number ozoyidivide ngo0 asazi, asinalwazi, asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani yabo. So kahle kahle ini lento isho uthini safike sahluleka mesifika ku0. Iyasicasula ka lento saka math sase sifuna indlela sasiseyibuza sathi senzenjani, sabuka i-pattern ukuthi siqale ngo2 la seza ngo1 sasiza kubani ngo0. Sikusho senze njani? Sisuke ku2 sathi 1 sathi 0 bese sisondela ku0. Sasisethini? Okay, so i-limit yethu u0. But into sithi ke ngoba u0 asikwazi ukumqonda ngqo. Asenze njani? Asike sibheke ukuthi kwenzakalani mesisondela ku0. Which means kuma limit senzani? Siyanyonyoba la. Since u0 esihlula asike sibheke ukuthi masisondele eduze kwakhe kwenzakalani, which means as lezi number lezi zi approach u0 noma zisondela u0 in general. Okay, mawubuka numerator, your numerator is a constant. So if we have a function say 2/x, we define our function as f of x equal to 2/x. So now in mathematical terms sesibhala ngendlela ngolimi loka math sesibhala, this is the limit. Sesifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani uma u-x esondela kancane kancane ku0 for a function of f of x. This is the mathematical representation noma indlela esibhala ngayo ama limits. So sifuna ukubheka ukuthi i-function yethu i-behave kanjani as u-x e-approacha leyo number leyo thizeni. So kanti in this case sikhuluma ngani ngo-0, it could be any number yabo, kungaba ubani u-n yabo, u-x nga-approacha noma yiphi number yabo. So lokho kwasinika i-idea ukuthi i-function yethu i-behave kanjani uma i-variable i-approacha noma isondela kuleyo number leyo yabo, not exactly ukuthi equal to leyo number but isondela kuleyo number. Yonke lento isisiza kanjani asibhekeni lana. So nibonile ekuqaleni ukuthi uma define i-gradient sithe a gradient rise over run noma ukukhuphuka over ububanzi. But umbuzo usuthi ke ngoba akona wonke ama-function la mhlambe sinokukhuphuka sinobubanzi like ama-straight lines. Ama-straight lines uline nje oqondile kuphela mfundi. Mawubheka la in order ukuthola islope noma ukuthola i-gradient yani noma ukuthola ini ukuthi i-function yakho for u-g of x inomqansa ongakanani sithini rise over run. Buka lana-ke, let's call this x1 lo simbiza ngobani ngo-x2. u-x1 hambiselana no-y1, x2 hambiselana no-y2. So u-rise wethu simbala kanjani? U-rise which means ukuphakama, lawo ma-point lawo aphakeme kangakanani. So our gradient in this case izobani, izoba y2 minus y1 which means ile distance le izoba lo y lo minus lo y ongezansi, y ongenhla minus y ongezansi over ububanzi u-x ophambili x2 minus u-x osemuva x1. This is how it noma iyona ndlela le esithola ini i-gradient yoline ngayo, but usuyayibuza ngoba une function engasona straight line like i-curve kanje, like i-parabola for example, simenza kanjani u-rise over run? Unfortunately asikwazi, ila sengena khona lento esibiza ngani nge-average gradient. So si-computer kanjani i-average gradient noma siyibala kanjani i-average gradient? Cela bhala i-function e1 la. Let's say na i-function yethu, okay? And sifuna ukuthola i-gradient yale function le. Unlike i-straight line, for i-straight line i-gradient noma umqansa uyafana yonke indawo, which means mesikwazile ukuthola ini, mesikwazile ukuthola i-gradient between ama-points amabili senzani, kuyafana nokuthi at each and every point along leso straight line leso i-gradient njani iyafana for i-straight line. So mesebenzisa lo ukuthola i-gradient kalo, mesebenzisa lo ukuthola i-gradient kalo. So la uyabona sisebenzisa ama-point anjani ayi-2. Sisebenzise point lokuqala nani ne-point lesibili ukuthola i-gradient noma ukuthola ukuthi i-function yethu iphakeme kangakanani noma inomqansa onjani omngakanani. But-ke for i-straight line ngoba i-straight line isi-straight noma kukhuphukela ngokufana along a-straight line, shothi at each and every point umqansa uyafana, ukuthi umephi emgaqweni okhuphukayo akusho lutho, okusala umqansa uyafana for wena ophezulu nakwena ongezansi, as long as nobabili nikephi nisemdonsweni noma emehlelweni. Kuyahluka-ke for ilokhuza-ke for a curve into akubi into efanayo lana asinaye u-rise over run unlike la. So into esesiyenze sike calculate what we call i-average gradient. Let's call this point A, lo simbiza ngo-point B. So an average gradient i-gradient between ama-points amabili yabo. For i-curve unlike i-straight line, so ayinayo i-gradient efanayo along ilokhuzu line wakhona yabo. So a gradient here ayifani ne-gradient la, but since singakwazi ukuthola the exact gradient la ka B na la ka A, siyenze lento esibiza ngani nge-average gradient. I-average gradient for i-curve still izofana nale ye-straight line, but still njengoba ngisho ukuthi lento le iyasilimitha ngobani asikwazi ukuthola i-gradient ethi single point kulelo point lelodwa asikwazi ukuthola ukuthi kunomqansa ungakanani kahle kahle la ka A naka B kunomqansa ungakanani. So into esivele siyenze senze njani sike sithole i-gradient between ama points amabili bese leyo gradient siyibiza ngane nge-average gradient yabo ngoba kuyona i-gradient specific for i-point elilodwa but i-gradient for ama point amabili ngi-10 ku-straight line ku-straight line i-gradient ebalwe between ama point amabili iyafana for i-gradient at each and every point. So i-gradient between A and B ku-straight line iyafana ne-gradient at A iyafana ne-gradient at B, but kwi-curve i-gradient between A and B ayifani ne-gradient at A futhi ayifani ne-gradient at B yabo akufani. So senze njani sisebenzisani u-average gradient but leyo nto sabona ukuthi iyasilimit then sase siyibuza ukuthi nama-concept amabili la sesikhulumile la ngo-gradient sekushoda bani ngama-limit ama-limit athini sithini sisebenzisa approach ethini what if simuva close to that point yabo what if simuva close to this point kanjani na ngokuthi silimite noma sinciphise i-distance between lama points lawo buka lana i-gradient between u-A and B ayizofana ne-gradient let's say between A and C. This is point C. So umbuzo usuthi ke kunganjani mangathiwa singanciphisa i-distance between ama points silokho siwasondeza ngoba thina si-interested noma sifuna ukuthola umqansa ka-A ukuthi kahle kahle ka-A kunomqansa omngakanani or kune-gradient engakanani. Okay, sasibuza lokho sokwenza kanjani na lokho buka lana. Let's say sinama point awu-2 A and B leli lino X leli sothi lino X plus H u-H i-horizontal distance between X and X plus H ile distance in between la futhi leli point la lingana nalo plus i-distance in between eso ibiza ngabani ngo-X ngo-H lo distance le. So the corresponding y value noma i-y value ihambisana no-X kuzoba f of X. Khumbula function yethu sibiza ngo-f of X the parabola function. Now the corresponding value noma i-value ka-y ehambisana no-X plus H it's f of X plus H. So ngithe gradient siyibala kanjani? An average gradient sithe siyibala ngokuthini? Average gradient equals to y2 minus y1. Ngoba u-y2 ngitheni u-y ongaphezulu. U-y ongaphezulu it's f of X plus H minus f of X over horizontal distance X plus H minus X. X plus H minus X which give us lo ususa lo salo f of X plus H minus f of X all over H. Okay, but now umbuzo usuthini sitheni sithe thina we are interested ukwenzeni ukunciphisa i-distance between lama points lawo mabili in order to ikwenze njani ukuthola i-gradient at f of X. So into esifuna ukuyenza ukunciphisa u-H noma sibheke ukuthi kwenzakalani uma i-distance between lama points lawa i-approacha u-0 noma isondela ku-0. Sibize ngani lo concept ngama-limit. Sithe kwenzakalani uma i-distance between lama points amabili i-approacha u-0. Lena sesibiza ngani ke manje